The secret weapon for effortless focus? Acer SH272 revealed. Some screens just don't keep up with your flow. You're ready to create, play, move, and your monitor lags behind, dulling the moment. It's not you, it's your gear. If your setup feels like it's stuck in slow motion, type yes below. Because clarity, speed, and calm shouldn't fight each other. And now, they finally don't. Meet the smooth, new rhythm of productivity. Your eyes ache, colors fade, and the tension builds while tasks keep stacking higher. Imagine that pressure dissolving. Motion fluid, focus razor sharp, time finally on your side. Picture a monitor that doesn't demand control, but syncs with your pace, your style, your energy. That's not a fantasy anymore. It's a deliberate shift in how you see your world. The Acer SH272 G0bih 27-inch Full HD monitor redefines balance between calm precision and lightning-fast performance. Its IPS panel delivers wide-angle color fidelity that makes both creative work and cinematic gaming come alive. With up to 120 Hz refresh rate, every frame flows effortlessly, while the ultra-responsive 1 millisecond VRB erases blur and ghosting from even the fastest motion. Adaptive sync keeps every moment fluid, matching your GPU's rhythm frame for frame. No tearing, no stutter, just seamless clarity. The ultra-thin bezels blend beauty with immersion, transforming your desk into a minimalist canvas. A fully adjustable stand tilts, swivels, and rises to meet you, supporting long sessions with comfort and precision. Dual input flexibility, HDMI and VGA, keeps you connected across devices, old and new. From immersive storytelling to spreadsheet mastery, the SH272 isn't loud about its power, it simply performs. Here's your inside tip. When you pair two of these, you create an unbroken horizon of productivity and play. It's the quiet revolution your setup has been waiting for. Performance feels different when it's this smooth. Reviewers call it a new standard for affordable refinement. Tech analysts highlight its 120 Hz brilliance as the bridge between gaming adrenaline and office composure. Streamers praise the 1 millisecond response. No trails, no delay, just pure motion clarity. Everyday users report longer focus, softer eyes, and a desk setup that finally feels professional. And the aesthetics? Think edge-to-edge modernism, ultra-thin bezels, matte glow, and precision design that doesn't just sit on your desk, it defines it. This monitor adapts. Pivot for coding, tilt for comfort, swivel for collaboration. It's flexible, quiet, and purpose-built for momentum. One creator said, "I didn't realize how much a monitor could change my mood until this one did." Another user called it the missing piece that made my workspace flow. What's your take? Color, motion, or comfort? Drop your answer below. The SH272 doesn't just show you your work, it amplifies your experience. That's what makes it elegantly intelligent. A fusion of emotion, design, and precision performance that stays in sync with you. This moment of clarity doesn't wait. Thousands have already transformed their daily grind into visual flow with the Acer SH272, and now it's your move. Act fast to lock in your upgrade before the next restock vanishes. Click below and access a bonus setup secret that unlocks sharper visuals instantly. You've seen how smooth life can look. Now it's time to feel it. Don't just browse. Claim your edge and turn every glance at your screen into motivation itself.